Okay.
Eso está bien para comer.
¿Qué es?
Tumbo.
Tumbo, sí, sí, sí.
Tumbo.
So, 4 bolivianos.
A un boliviano, 2 bolivianos.
Oh, 2 bolivianos.
Y la
And
chirimoya.
then you want one of these?
Yeah, quisiera una pequeña chirimoya.
Así, así.
Oh,
O así.
oh, actually,
Y más grande.
más grande.
Then we
Yeah.
can have it tonight or something.
Así
Ah,
o así. Está muy buena.
¿así? ¿Sí?
Muy buena, muy buena.
Sí.
Esa saque una caica. 400 gramos. 8 bolivianos lleva.
Ok, so
8
8 y
más 2,
2,
10, mamá.
10.
Sí.
10 bolivianos.
A lo mismo. Pues, más
Sí.
lo que cobramos.
Un momento, señora.
¿Ya? ¿Qué más? ¿Faltas para guacamole?
No,
No, ¿eh?
sí. What are you eating?
people buried here.
Great.
It's a bit weird, right?
Yeah, but I guess the cool thing about these places, they get a bit cleaned out.
Let's go. What's yours?
I got a paparene, which is a potato stuffed with cheese,
How
and
is
it's
it?
fried in egg. I haven't had a bite of it yet, but I will now.
Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Really good. Anything with cheese. In fact, I can be naughty and put the salsa in there. There's like a little kick of spice.
The salsa's so good, right?
It's nice and spicy. I think it's quite special.
Yeah.
Here's the tucumana, which is a stuffed Bolivian pastry. If I open it up,
Yeah.
it's stuffed with vegetables. Oh, that was so good. It's got egg in it and stuff. So we're in a vegetarian restaurant. Damon's eating stuffed pastry. Tasty.
Yeah, it's really like crispy on the outside.
Yeah.
And it
looks
tastes
like-
really fresh on the inside.
Yeah, it looks like lots of vegetables. In it.
It's like pumpkin, egg, peas, tomato.
Let's zoom in. Salteñas, which is Bolivian empanadas, and they're a bit different. Apparently, they're quite juicy inside. I've got a chicken one. Still pretty. The pastry is softer than the Chilean ones.
Well, mine's really good. It tastes like Chinesey.
Yeah, mine's really good too. It's chickeny, but the bready, like the pastry, is soft, but
Is it soupy inside?
not super soupy, but soupy enough.
It's
Yum. Yeah. I think they're both good.
Best empanada ever.
Yeah, they're so good. The chicken one's so good. The beef one was also good. Spicy chicken, pollo de picante, and it's just like kind of like a curry.
Is that with mushroom?
It's some kind of potato.
Oh, okay. How
It's
is it?
nice.
Nice.
I like it. Yeah. I mean, you can't go wrong with chicken. You just put it in like a curry spicy sauce. Yum. Yeah, this is so good.
This is called mondongo. Just like pork ribs with like potato.
Yeah, I think so.
Cool.
Yeah. So what's up?
It's good. It's actually Incan corn, which tastes a bit like chickpeas. Not very spicy.
Yeah, it looks really spicy, but it actually isn't. I mean, I've had a lot spicier curries.
But it's nice, but it's like way too big.
Yeah. I got greedy and wanted both.
That's okay.
I liked my picante de pollo. Pollo de picante. It's yummy.
think that's just a, like, I don't know.
Always in trouble, need love on the double spin.
How are you finding it?
Cool.
I thought you were gonna say war's bad.
War is back.
In a lifetime, climbing to the level, contract with the devil, loophole, expiration date. On the side of good people, always set the record straight. Round and round, the piano keys meditate. Felt it in the music, need it now, can't let it wait. It's not a secret, everything is all out and exposed. Going down like the water in the river flows. That's how it goes, another day, another story told. Stuck inside the puzzle, searching, still trying to get a hold. Forgotten souls, got lost in the cold. Trying to get the freedom, now they need them walking down the Hope Road. They said they hope so, but it was a no-go. Front row stage show, well-placed logo. Fancy lights and the cameras are on, but he don't care, he's just there to sing another sad love song. Fade to black.
How tired are you?
I don't know. I told you.
How have you enjoyed Sucre?
It's been really cool. It's really cool. It's got the culture, history, and people are out and about having fun.
Yeah.
Young population, lots of cute little kitties. The indigenous people are sort of still keeping with their culture, with their like puffy skirts.
Music.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, definitely the art and music's really cool.
Are you gonna miss Sucre? It's a great town, right?
Yeah.
It's fun because like it's like 6 p.m. and like everyone's out like playing sports. Yeah, but still.